Guys, this is Smokey and Ellie. Ellie is on the left and Smokey's on the right. These two are actually sisters. I take them out to play together. They haven't been out in a couple weeks together. But they're sisters. They have separate cages. Because I just don't feel like birds have to share a cage like that. Especially ones this size. But they are sisters and they love each other. Ellie! What you doing, Smokes? Smokey! These guys are so beautiful. I love these guys so much. Smokey, what are you doing? Guys, if you have any ideas for videos, please let me know.